Welcome to Animal News. Today, our theme is Texas.
Okay. Officials from Texas and Wildlife contacted Animal World Snake Farm and Zoo, saying they found an alligator that had been in a former zoo volunteer care for more than 20 years. A representative for the zoo said on video on Facebook, it is alleged that the volunteer either stole an egg or hatchling. Officials think the volunteer slipped it into her pocket and decided to keep it as a pet. The possession of an alligator in Texas is highly regulated, and when the past volunteer couldn't meet the requirements to obtain the permit, the alligator was taken back by Animal World Farm and Zoo.
Back again with our lovely memes. Today, there's a crow. It's gonna pop up right there. It's a very crow.
Yep. This is a snake and a squirrel.
It's in Texas.
Yep. They got in fight.
Yeah. There's a cat again.
Maui.
Yeah.
Mowdy.
There's like a super cool cow as well.
Yep. He's proud to be a Texas Longhorn.
We love Texas Longhorns, don't we? And then there's also like this dog.
He wants to get those dang squirrels.
Those dang squirrels. And then
Texas consists of 540 species of bird, 142 species of amphibians, mammals, and other animals. Texas is also known as the battiest state, as it is home for 32 species of bat. Its predators include cougars, wolves, and ocelots.
the creature of the week will be the armadillo. The 9-banded armadillo is the only species of armadillo found in the United States. The Brazilian 3-banded armadillos are a Lazarus species. Sorry if I mispronounced that. Giant galiptodons are their extinct kin. They sleep up to 16 hours each day. They also spread leprosy. The armadillos mostly live in areas like Texas. They eat bugs. Armadillos also eat small vertebrates, plants, and some fruit.
Hello!